Coach John Oldamai once said,
Here you are,
Yes!
fighting for your dreams.
Yes.
You are not grateful because of this event, but you are grateful because you are alive. That is why, ngayon 2025, yun yung babaunin natin, the whole of 2025. And lastly, I want to invite all the leaders to please be in front. Because right now, these people who are in front of you, eto sila ang mga strangers sa'yo na pwede at handang tumulong sa inyo. Etong mga tao to ang magbibigay sa'yo, not just the energy, not just the effort, not just the inspiration, not just the motivation. Because, alam mo naman motivation magagaling sa puso mo. Regardless kung ano pwedeng sabihin sa'yo at ipapanawa ng mga leaders sa'yo, alam mo, ikaw mismo ang makaka-motivate sa sarili mo. Yes or yes?
Yes.
But these people will not just give you direction, will not just give you vision, will not just give you guidance, but they will give you 100% commitment. And as much as I want to help each and every one of you, this I guarantee everybody, andito lahat, members, guests, magiging members, leaders, I guarantee you, ako po ang magbabantay sa mga leaders na to para tulungan kayo. And that is why today, leaders, can we all say, I promise?
I promise!
Yes, they will promise you, no matter what, hindi ka iiwan ngayong taon. They will promise you, no matter what, andyan sila, gabayan ka, sabayan ka ngayong taon.
Yes.
And they promise, no matter what, kung ano mang pangarap mo ngayon, lahat ba may pangarap?
Yes.
Sabay lang mo tanan?
Na.
Do we all have dreams?
Yes.
These leaders in front of you, they will hold on to your dreams. Andito sila para tulungang maabot ang pangarap mo. Provided if you also will hold on to your dreams.
Yes.
So kayo din, sabihin mo, I promise.
I promise.
Hindi lang sila. I promise.
I promise.
I will hold on to my dreams.
I will hold on to my dreams.
Therefore, as my leaders, and you as members and guests, let's hold on together for our dreams.
Yes.
Okay po yan. That we can be here for each other.
Yes.
Andito